In this video, I'll walk you through how to create a report in Salesforce so you can quickly turn your stored data into useful insights. Start by making sure the Reports tab is visible in your navigation bar, adding it if necessary for easier access. Once inside the Reports area, you can either run a pre-built report or click New Report to open the report builder. The first key step is selecting the correct report type, since this determines which objects and fields are available. For example, choosing opportunities or accounts changes the dataset you can analyze. After selecting a report type, you can click Run to generate results using default filters, which typically reflect standard settings like My Records and a current date range. If results look limited, review filters and visibility permissions. Salesforce will display the data in a tabular format by default, ready for further customization. Subscribe for more clear and practical Salesforce tutorials.